There's something remarkable about the open road. The past few years I've found myself so focused on numbers, money, milestones, success, things I was so sure would make me happy, when in reality I discovered no amount was ever going to be enough. Instead, it's been love, creativity, freedom, and that sense of wonder that I've really been lacking of late. I took travel for granted.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing